The back and forth over what COVID-19 protocols to follow and not to follow have really been a headache for Texas businesses.
Conflicting federal and state vaccination rates only add to the confusion. Texas businesses with more than 100 employees will soon have to follow a Biden administration rule that will require a vaccine or negative test policy for their employees.
As KXAN's Monica Madden reports, Governor Abbott's latest executive order banning vaccine mandates goes directly against that, leading to gray area for employers.
We're not sure what to do anymore.
As CEO of a hospitality group with more than 150 employees, Vijay Patel feels stuck in the middle of a fight between the state and federal government.
We can be penalized by the state for forcing it, and we can be penalized by the national government for not enforcing it. So we definitely don't know what to do.
He's not anti-vaccine, but when President Biden announced it'll soon be required for businesses his size, Patel did not love the idea of forcing a shot into his staff's arms.
It was already difficult to do business coming out of this pandemic with shortage of labor. This new wrinkle is only going to force more employees to not come to work potentially.
Republican lawmakers agree.
Public health mandates are not very effective.
In a committee hearing Wednesday, House lawmakers began debate over a bill that would codify the governor's executive order by adding certain exemptions for vaccine mandates. Democrats say businesses should be able to require vaccines for workplace safety.
We don't need to be eliminating anything in their toolbox to run their business, to give them an opportunity to succeed and survive.
Patel says ultimately he wants to be able to make his own decision for his business.
Perhaps the intention was, let's get government out of business, but instead government came into business with this new executive order.
Monica Madden, KXAN News.
The House State Affairs Committee only discussed this bill for an hour before they had to gavel into the floor. But Republicans expressed concern over pushing a complicated topic to a vote with less than a week left in this current special session.